In front of me is OPPO K10x, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Setting up face unlock on this OPPO is really easy, but you need to remember that to set it up in the first place, you need to set up screen lock first. Without it, you can't add your face data. So after setting up screen lock, go into settings, scroll and tap on security and privacy section. Then scroll again to tap on device unlock. Quick tip, if you don't have screen lock, you can set it up here. And then tap on Fingerprint and Face Unlock. Tap on Face on the left. Enter your screen lock. And tap on Add Now. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit Done. Now manage all of those options however you want to and go back. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!